Hey first grade, so today we're going to continue working with vowel teams and our high frequency words, and we're going to do an activity very similar to the activity we do in class, usually on day 4 of skills. And that is that I'm going to give you a sentence and you are going to write it out on a piece of paper, on a whiteboard. You can write it directly into Dojo, but that sentence is going to have some words with vowel teams and some of your high frequency words for the week. So our target is I can write a sentence with vowel team and high frequency words. So we've done a lot of work with high frequency words this week, like should, very, would, only, and we've done a lot of work with vowel teams. And when we're talking about vowel teams, this week we focused on AI, EA, and OA. All right, so I am going to read a sentence to you, and you're going to write it out on a piece of paper, on a whiteboard, right into Dojo. But don't forget that when we're writing, we're focusing on the big 6. So grammar, does our sentence make sense? Penmanship, do I have letters that fall, letters that are tall, and letters that stay at the line? Can I read my own writing? Can other people read my own writing? Punctuation, some kind of ending punctuation. So period for telling, an exclamation point for yelling, or a question mark for asking. Spelling, did I spell as many of my words correctly as I can? Spacing, do I have good spacing not only between my words but also between my letters? And capitals, do I have capitals where they need to be and no capitals where they shouldn't be? So after you write your sentence, use the same proofreading protocol we use in class. Go through, read your sentence, and make sure it makes sense. Chickadee check. Penmanship, can I read all of my handwriting? Chickadee check. Go all the way down and make sure that you have a big 6 sentence, and then give yourself a score out of 6. So we're looking for a +6 sentence. All right, so I'm going to read your sentence to you. Grab your writing materials. If you need some time, pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going to move on and read it. All right, I'm going to read our sentence 3 times so that you can make sure that you hear all of the words and sounds. Our sentence this week is, each coat should be very clean at the waist. Each coat should be very clean at the waist. Each coat should be very clean at the waist. And when we're talking about a waist, we're talking about the waist on your body. So that space in between your legs and your hip bones, right? Like you wear a belt at your waist or a skirt at your waist, okay? All right, so just like we do in class, let's clap it out and figure out how many words we have in this sentence. Each coat should be very clean at the waist. So I hear 9 words, which means I need to have 9 lines. Each coat should be very clean at the waist. All right, first grade, go ahead and write your sentence, and then I'm going to post a second video where I'm sounding out the words, and you can go back and double check your own work. All right, best of luck. I'll chat soon.